Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable customer confirmation at checkout on your Shopify store. Now you may be wondering what this is. This is basically a feature that allows you to enable customer to confirm their purchases at checkout. So in case they make any mistake or whatever it is, then you want to give them this extra level of security or extra level of control that they will be able to confirm just before they purchase, right? So they are 100% sure that, hey, everything is correct. All that I want to purchase is correct and I don't have any mistake, and they will be able to confirm that just before they make their purchase. So how do you turn that on? Once you're inside Shopify, guys, on your Shopify dashboard, click settings on the lower left hand side, and under the generals tab, you want to scroll down. You want to scroll down to a section called auto processing, and here you will see require confirmation step. Now, as you can see in pretty much details there, it says confirm. It says customers must review their order details before purchasing. So once you turn on this feature and click on save, then this feature is enabled and they'll be able to have that option available to them, right? And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.